Are you getting enough exercise each week? Check out the Intensity Minutes feature on your Garmin watch. From the overview on your Garmin watch, you can view the total intensity minutes you've earned this week, the intensity minutes earned today, your weekly intensity minutes goal, and a daily trend graph of the past week. Garmin follows WHO recommendations and sets a weekly goal of 150 minutes by default, which is calculated by combining moderate intensity minutes and double the vigorous intensity minutes. Generally, moderate intensity activities like brisk walking or easy cycling allow you to talk, but not sing. For example, brisk walking or leisurely biking. Vigorous intensity activities make it hard to speak comfortably, such as running or uphill cycling. Your watch estimates activity intensity using your steps per minute or by comparing your real-time heart rate to your resting heart rate. Factors like your age, height, and weight also influence the estimation. You can also go to the Garmin Connect device settings, under Notifications and Alerts, then Health and Wellness, and select Intensity Minutes to switch to heart rate zones as the calculation method, and define your heart rate ranges for moderate and vigorous activity. You can also customize your weekly intensity minutes goal based on your personal needs. Click the link in the description to learn more about intensity minutes.